Hi guys, I'm Brett Berry, and you're watching Math Hacks, and I'm so excited to say that because Math Hacks has been a dream of mine for a very long time, and to get to the place in life where I can bring all my dreams and skills and aspirations together and present them to you is truly a phenomenal feeling. Math Hacks is meant to be a place not only to get help, but to find encouragement when it comes to mathematics. I know how discouraging it can be. You can feel lost and confused, and it can all seem just like a foreign language. What I hope Math Hacks provides for you is the confidence and the knowledge that you need to succeed. Here I'll be sharing with you the tips and tricks that I have used to become successful at mathematics, as well as a healthy dose of encouragement that nothing is stopping you. You have all of the capacity to learn mathematics, and you have so many resources at your disposal. I hope Math Hacks becomes one of those resources. Thank you.